It's a good thing nobody buys me Lolita for Christmas, or I'd have a real problem. Hi everybody, welcome back. It's Justy. I have never been so lucky in my life to have managed to find two very difficult dream dresses like only a week apart from each other. And while it has been very exciting and amazing for me, my wallet doesn't really agree. But it's too late now. I'm very excited to be doing one more Lolita unboxing for you guys of another just spectacular dress that I have been dying to have. It is also likely like the last dress to be joining my wardrobe before the end of the year, which means it is the very last dress before I do my 2022 wardrobe post, which is my very first wardrobe video, like proper one. So this is a very important dress. I'm very excited about it. Let's get opening because I want to see this dress. Ow. There she is. Oh my God. What a rush of serotonin I get from shopping. It's a dangerous thing. Okay. We first have the waist ties. They are a gradient dark to light purple with a soft tulle with polka dots at the end. The center is like kind of just like a light star pattern that says Haenuli in the middle of it, which of course is the brand. I have Haenuli accessories, but this is my first proper Haenuli dress. And what a dress to be my first, my fave, the one that got away. The seller says this is the 2019 version. I don't know what the difference is between the 2016. Doesn't matter to me. I'm gonna be happy. Now I got very lucky because the listing was just for the dress, which was fine. I was going to buy it. But the seller, while we were discussing shipping and everything, said, well, I do have the accessories. Do you want them? Of course I did. So we have the head bow, which is the same gradient star pattern fabric. We've got just tiny little lace on the edge of each bow. This one is definitely not as crinkly and pressed as the baby one that I just unboxed in my last video, but that's also because I can feel that this is not a cotton, it's a little more synthetic, which is fine, not complaining at all, but that'll change the wrinkle level. And we have two little baubles at the end, and I like that they are symmetrical. We have the little beret, which is the same, I'm gonna stop saying gradient, you guys can see that, it's the gradient, and has all the different constellations in a circle on the top of the hat. Now, I'm going to be honest, I am excited about this. I really struggle to wear berets. I have said this in videos before. I don't know where to place them. I don't know how so they're most comfortable so they don't fall off. But I'm going to really try for this one. Although I guess if not, I do have the head bow, which is a tried and true staple. I do know how to wear a head bow, so that's nice. This looks like it is the bow that will attach to the front of the dress, which I can already tell then is removable. I do appreciate them taking everything off. I don't think you need to for shipping, but it is a nice safety to make sure that nothing goes wrong and maybe this doesn't tear or fall off or cause any problems, so I will not complain about that. In this baggie, we appear to have more like removable stuff. What do we got? Oh my God, okay, there's a lot in here. I'm gonna have to look up where like some of this belongs. We have two, oh, I get, you know what this is gonna be? This is gonna be the neck straps that you can crisscross, so they are also removable, which is nice. I do love the way the crisscross neck straps look, don't get me wrong, but I often can't figure out how to tie them. They're either too loose or so tight they choke me, and neither of those are a good look, so it's really nice that if there's a day where I'm truly struggling with these, I can just take them off. We have two purple bows with a kind of gossamer backing behind the purple ribbons with the same dangly pearl in the center of each. These are also the same type of pin clip as the bow that goes on the dress, so these obviously also go on the dress, or maybe on the hat? Although I feel like I've also got these little ones, and I feel like these would go on the hat. I'm gonna have to look up a picture of this hat again. I have no recollection of where any of this goes, but that means I get to ultimately decide. It's my choice. Where will the bows go? Okay, we've got nothing left but the dress. Let's do it. Now, this dress, the measurements are a little bigger than what I usually get for a dress, but that will guarantee it will, if not fit, which I believe it will, and I can probably just wear a regular bra, which is exciting. It will be alterable easier than the small one. I can take it in or have it taken in, because I am always worried I'm going to ruin these things, much easier than taken out. So we have a pretty simple bodice, I'm going to be honest. We do have a little bit of lace here to give it something, and some lace at the top, as well as there's the same lace going along the straps. These straps are adjustable. Yes, there's a few different button sizes, so that's exciting. Ooh, smells like fresh laundry. That's really nice. And again, we've got all the constellations across the chest, just a really beautiful print. I am losing my little mind. And we continue down the dress. Honestly, it's very similar, same print. It just gets lighter and lighter in that gradient as you go. Gorgeous. And then the same lace at the edge. The back has shirring as usual, and the corset lacing to get it tight or looser as you need it. And then it has a big old purple and pink bustle. The gradient is a little more harsh in the bustle, which makes sense. It's not as easy to accomplish. I do wish it wasn't quite so harsh. That's the one thing about the dress that I don't like love. I still love it, the dress overall, but I just wish that was a little cleaner. But I don't think I have a dress with a bustle. I think this is my first bustle, so this is exciting. It's quite a heavy, thick dress. I'm very impressed. We have the outer layer skirt, and then we have an inner lining, again, just a shiny, similar polyester, that goes all the way to the top of the dress, which is very nice. I can't believe, I mean, I said that about the dress I unboxed last time, but I mean, same thing. I can't believe I have this dress. I've been watching for it on Lace Market. I either only saw the dark blue version, or actually I've only been seeing the dark blue version at all. I haven't even been seeing this version, and when I looked up like past sales of it, a lot of them were the really, really small ones, which is awesome. I'm glad there's variant sizings, but I definitely can't fit those. So to have a dress that I can definitely wear, and all the accessories, I've been blessed. I think there was tights as well. I don't remember. And while I obviously can live without them, man, it would be cool to also have the tights. There is no pockets in this bad boy, now that I am exploring that, which is sad. Another annoying side zip, fine. This one goes all the way down. I thought at first it was going to stop at the waist. It doesn't. Ha ha ha. No hook and eye, which hopefully won't be a problem because it's not tiny on me. There are some loose threads at the back where it's clear the neck straps have been removed. I don't totally love that, but I mean, it is a secondhand dress. You can't really blame anyone for that. And it's not like a huge flaw, like the dress isn't falling apart. They just need to be trimmed. I love when things are perfect. But if you can't get it new because it doesn't exist, you gotta do what you gotta do. I am so excited to make a cord for this dress. I want to be able to as soon as possible. I unfortunately don't have anything that'll work for it right now, like sock-wise really. My lavender shoes might be the same lavender, but I think they're actually a little too purple. Anyways, I'm gonna figure out something to be able to get this dress, and if I don't have something now, I will buy something. The good news is my Starscape bag will work with this, so I have a bag. Thank you so much for joining me for my very last unboxing of the year. I think this is an amazing note to end things on. I'm very excited about this. Again, much like in my last video I said, if you check out my Lolita Instagram, which is linked down below, you can see the photos of this cord when I do finally make one, as well as all of my other cords. I hope everybody has had a phenomenal Christmas. I hope you have a great New Year, and I really hope that 2022 is better for all of us than 2021, because 2021, in my opinion, was better than 2020. So if we just take a couple steps each year, I have a good feeling about things, hopefully. All right, everybody, I will see you in the next video. Bye.